I was told that I need to find my body shape because I am a woman person. However, I looked online at the shape options for woman people, and I did not see one that matched this flesh vehicle. And that's when I realized I am not a pear, or an hourglass, or a ruler, or a pumpkin. I'm a rotisserie chicken. A rotisserie chicken. My body is shaped like a rotisserie chicken. And I'm proud, damn it. Watch me rotate slowly on the skewer. Look at this majestic sack of poultry. I swear one day I'm going to flap my tiny, well-seasoned wings and fly away from all this bullshit. A rotisserie chicken. A rotisserie chicken. My body is shaped like a rotisserie chicken. Are you there, mother chicken? I am not cut out for this human world. Take me to the poultryverse.